So as you can see, the excavator can do anything. This thing can do a multi-purpose thing. Right now the excavator is pouring concrete. It's pouring a roof slab. So this machine is a more talented machine, same as the TLB. The TLB can be used also as a grader. It can be used to pour concrete. It can be used to excavate trenches. It can be used to load things. So we need to have this equipment in construction so that it will make our life easier. In case we don't have some of the machine, these things can do.